22 at 16:02 hours. Fire mapped at 1,384 acres. Left side of the screen will be Wawona. Fire is approximately 1 mile from Wawona now. Fire's edge is active. Coming down the left flank towards the heel, still all active back down towards the Mariposa Grove Road and Wawona Road, bottom of the screen. If you're following the reticle, we're back down by the heel of the fire, a little less active, slower rates of spread. Beginning up the right flank, reticle is around Mariposa Grove now. The fire is there.